How can you test your gut microbiome while following a ketogenic diet? Are you curious about how the ketogenic diet affects your gut health? Testing your gut microbiome while on this diet can provide fascinating information. The ketogenic diet, which is high in fat, moderate in protein, and very low in carbohydrates, can significantly change the balance of microorganisms in your digestive system. Let's break down how you can test your gut microbiome during this dietary approach. First, you will need to collect a stool sample. You can do this at home using a testing kit or visit a healthcare provider. The stool sample contains microbial DNA that can be analyzed to identify the types and amounts of bacteria present in your gut. Next, the stool sample will undergo microbial DNA sequencing. This process often uses advanced techniques like metagenomic sequencing. It helps identify specific bacterial genera and species, including important groups affected by the ketogenic diet, such as bifidobacteria, firmicutes, and bacteroidetes. After sequencing, the next step is to analyze microbial diversity and abundance. This involves measuring alpha diversity, which refers to the variety of species in your gut. You will also look at the relative abundance of specific bacteria. Research shows that ketogenic diets can reduce bifidobacterium levels and alter butyrate-producing firmicutes, which are essential for colon health. In addition to identifying bacteria, some tests evaluate the metabolic functions of these microorganisms. For example, they may assess the production of short-chain fatty acids like acetate and butyrate. These compounds can decrease on a ketogenic diet, providing insights into how dietary changes might impact your gut and overall health. It is also helpful to track changes over time. Since the ketogenic diet shifts the composition of your gut microbiota as ketone bodies increase, testing at multiple points can reveal how your microbiome adapts to carbohydrate restriction and ketosis. Lastly, interpreting your results in the context of ketosis is important. Understanding your ketone levels alongside microbiome data can show how ketosis relates to microbial shifts. For example, higher ketone levels often coincide with decreased bifidobacteria and changes in microbial diversity. With this information, you can make adjustments to your ketogenic diet for better gut health. Consider incorporating fiber-rich low-carbohydrate vegetables or probiotic supplements to support beneficial bacteria. Monitoring your microbiome can also help you identify potential risks related to reduced microbial diversity or beneficial bacteria depletion, which might affect your metabolic or mental health. Testing your gut microbiome while following a ketogenic diet involves collecting a stool sample, conducting DNA sequencing, and analyzing bacterial composition and function. This process helps you understand how ketosis influences your gut ecosystem and guides dietary adjustments to maintain optimal gut and overall health during your ketogenic journey.